In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create groups and classes and add pupils to them. Once your pupil accounts have been created, if you're a school or tutor, you may want to assign them to a year group, form group, or teaching class. All groups are assigned to a teacher, so it's important to add a teacher first. To do this, click Manage Teachers. You'll find it in the My Account sidebar. Add a new teacher and fill in the appropriate details. Your teacher will need a username. This will be their email address and a password so they can log in. You can then choose whether to make this tutor an administrator, and you can also choose whether this tutor will receive email updates about the pupils they are assigned. When you're done, click Save, and you'll see your new teacher appear here. You can edit their details or delete their account using these buttons. Now go to the sidebar and find Manage Form or Year Groups. Start by creating a form or year group. These groups are helpful for administration purposes and managing pupil data. Add a new form or year group here. Enter a name for your group and select a tutor account to assign to the group. A tutor or teacher can only be assigned to one form or year group. If you are using our formative assessment products, you can control the group settings here. If you are using BOFAclassroom, you can ignore these. Click Save and you will see your new form or year group listed. We now need to assign pupils to the group you've just created. Let's go back to the My Pupils list. I'm going to check the box of pupils I want to add to the group. I can then use the drop-down menu here, select Assign to a form group and choose from the choices. I'm going to assign them to the group I made earlier. Click Confirm and you can see that pupil has now been assigned to my new group. You can assign pupils that are in a form or year group to a teaching class. These are important when using BOFAclassroom, but also helpful for using with our formative assessment sites. Find Manage Teaching Classes in the sidebar. Click Add a new class and fill in the required details. Give the class a name, assign it a subject and tutor, then use the drop-down menu to select pupils by form group. I'm going to choose the pupils from the group I made earlier. You can then add or remove pupils as you wish. Click Save and your teaching group is now set up.